Our time now 5:50. Of course, we continue our tax coverage weekend on your side this morning with great tax tips that you can use. And while it's no fun to do your own taxes, there is something that's even less fun: getting an audit notice from the IRS. There are three things to do. It kind of be on the lookout for these type of things. First, make sure you pick the right preparer. If the IRS believes your accountant is claiming fake deductions, they could audit all of their clients. Red flag number 2, calling something a business and deducting losses on it when it's actually a hobby. And to qualify as a business, sooner or later it has to show a profit. Another potential red flag is taking deductions for things like charitable contributions that are large relative to your income. And always take deductions that you're entitled to, but when in doubt, document everything. And most Americans need some kind of help when it comes to filling out their taxes. And this year, 60% of us will pay a professional to do our taxes. Another 30% will pay for software. And that's why the National Taxpayer Advocate System reform to the tax code is needed now.
What do we have here is a system that taxpayers aren't comfortable preparing it by themselves, and that just is an indicator that it's just much too complex. Part of what's happened over time is that just new provisions keep getting added and added to reflect people's individual circumstances, or businesses come in and say, we need a special provision.
All right, so you can give your feedback here on tax reform this morning. Look for a link in our special tax section, WDTN.com Sunrise page. It's under the On Your Side tab. And if you are tackling taxes this year on your own, there are a couple of things you want to be aware of as well. Tax experts say filing online is the fastest growing solution for taxes. E-filing and using direct deposit is also the fastest way to get your refund. But experts advise taxpayers to look for trusted websites to make sure all of your information is secure. It's also important to weigh all your choices.
There are special situations where people filed unemployment, or if they have a balance due, they can use a solution like Complete Tax to file for free. So they definitely want to shop around.
And if you're using tax software, here's some tips from the pros. We looked into it. Look for the solution that will give you the most deductions to maximize your refund. Make sure it's easy to use, obviously. And if you have basic taxes, find the cheapest solution, which in many cases should be free. And here's one way to get free help. Send to News an email or a Facebook message with your tax question. We'll ask our local expert coming up on 2 News at noon today, and then the live web chat will continue from noon until 2 this afternoon. And get your questions answered for free just by logging on to WDTN.com. Click on the tax box in the upper right-hand corner and look for more tax stories and tips there as well. Our time